Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this super crispy southern style chicken wings recipe. If you're looking for the perfect bite, this recipe is definitely for you, so keep watching to learn how to make this super crispy southern style chicken wings recipe. To get started, we're going to use 2 pounds of chicken wings. The chicken wings is already washed and cleaned up. That's what it looks like. It's nice and clean. We're going to season our chicken. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Yes, we're using hot sauce. These chicken wings are not going to be hot, guys. Okay, because we're going to add buttermilk onto the chicken as well. So once you add your hot sauce, mix very well. Then we're going to go in with our buttermilk. If you're interested in making this recipe, please check the description box for a list of ingredients used in this video. Once you add your buttermilk to the chicken, mix very well. Make sure the chicken pieces are fully coated into the buttermilk. Now we're going to cover our chicken. We're going to set it to marinate for 30 minutes. After marinating for 30 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. Now we're going to add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour onto the chicken. The flour is going to give the chicken this nice crispy texture on the outside. Then we're going to go in with 1 egg. The egg is also going to add the moisture onto the chicken, lock that moisture into the chicken. Then we're going to add our club soda. So we're going to use 2 cups of club soda onto the chicken. Mix very well. And that batter is nice and thick. It smells really good, guys. This chicken is not even fully seasoned as yet, and the smell is amazing. So this batter is giving this nice pancake texture. Okay, and that's what it looks like. We're going to season our chicken. So to season our chicken, we're going to add ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika seasoning, Creole seasoning, salt. We're going to go in with some seasoned salt and chicken seasoning. Okay, mix this very well again. Make sure the chicken pieces are fully coated into the seasoning and into the batter. So the batter should be nice and thick, not runny. Just like that. As you guys can see, it's nice and thick, it's not runny. Okay, so that's how you want your butter to look. Now we are going to cover the chicken once more. We're going to set it to marinate again for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to show you guys what the chicken looks like. So after 30 minutes of marinating, this is what the chicken looks like, guys. We're going to set the chicken to the side. We're going to get our flour ready. So we're using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure you're using all-purpose flour for this chicken wings recipe. We're going to coat the chicken wings into the flour. Make sure the chicken wings are fully coated. Okay, that's what the chicken wing looks like, guys. It looks pretty good. Looking at that chicken wings right there, you can tell it's going to be nice and crispy because it's fully coated into the flour. So these wings are going to be exceptionally crispy, guys, okay? Continue to coat your chicken wings into the flour just like that. Once the chicken wings are fully coated, I'm going to show you guys the next step to make this super crispy Southern style chicken wings recipe. Now we're going to add the chicken into the oil. So for this recipe, I am using vegetable oil. You can use peanut oil if you have. Okay, so make sure the pot is nice and hot as well as the oil, and then you could just go right in and add your chicken into the pot. We're going to fry the chicken for 10 to 12 minutes. After frying the chicken for 10 to 12 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like, guys. It looks pretty good. Look at those chicken wings. It's nice and crispy, as you guys can see. And I can't wait to show you guys the final results. It's nice and crispy on the outside, and it's very, very moist on the inside. So we're going to remove the chicken from the pot. just like that. So if there's excess oil on the chicken, you could add your chicken wings into a paper towel just to get that oil off the wings. Those wings look so beautiful. The smell is so good. So this is the final result of this super crispy southern style chicken wings recipe. That's what the chicken wings look like. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate you guys' support. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye.